Hey, reggae lovers! Dive into the vibrant world of Chronixx, the Jamaican artist redefining reggae with his soulful sound and conscious lifestyle. If you're inspired by his music and message, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into reggae culture and exclusive artist insights. Born Jamar Rolando McNaughton on October 10, 1992, Chronixx emerged as a leading voice in the Reggae Revival movement, blending Rastafari principles, black empowerment, and musical innovation. His lifestyle embodies livity, a Rastafari concept of holistic, spiritual living that emphasizes equal rights, justice, and community welfare. Raised in Spanish Town, Jamaica, by his father, reggae artist Chronicle, Chronixx grew up in a musical household that shaped his authentic connection to Jamaican culture. Nicknamed Little Chronicle as a child, he was immersed in music early, singing in choirs and arranging harmonies for gospel and reggae artists like Lutan Fyah by his teens. This foundation fuels his commitment to creating music that uplifts and educates. Chronixx's dedication to Rastafari principles is central to his lifestyle. He views reggae as a mission to address societal issues like post-slavery trauma and youth empowerment, rather than a path to fame. In interviews, he shared that reggae should feed the hungry and ensure the elderly are taken care of, reflecting his focus on meaningful impact over commercial success. Living in Jamaica keeps him grounded, away from the distractions of global fame. His rejection of mainstream hype resonates with fans, as seen in X posts praising his life-changing concerts, like his sold-out 2018 London show. Musically, Chronixx is a versatile creator, blending reggae with gospel, ska, and electronic influences, calling his work black experimental music. His 2017 album Chronology is a masterpiece that traces his heritage and Rastafari beliefs, with tracks like Black is Beautiful, celebrating black pride. Starting as a producer at 14, crafting rhythms for artists like Conscience, he honed a meticulous creative process, often perfecting harmonies in minutes due to his choir background. This discipline shines in his live performances, like his 2025 Reggae Land Festival set in the UK, where his energy captivated thousands. Chronixx's advocacy for black empowerment is a cornerstone of his lifestyle. His music addresses systemic issues, offering anthems of resilience and cultural pride. He draws from his upbringing, surrounded by family and community, to create songs that resonate globally, like Never Give Up, available on limited vinyl. His influence extends beyond music, inspiring fans to embrace their roots and fight for justice. In a world of fleeting fame, Chronixx's lifestyle, rooted in spirituality, creativity, and social good, sets him apart. His journey from a young harmonizer to a reggae icon proves that authenticity and purpose can change lives. Want more stories like this? Hit that subscribe button and join our reggae community for exclusive content on Chronixx and beyond.